Suppose it's your birthday and you want to distribute 377 candies equally in a class of 29 students. So how will you solve this problem? By using division operation, isn't it? Since division requires the knowledge of tables and to memorize all the tables is not possible. So to make the process of division easy, this video will help to understand about the divisibility test for different numbers. So let's discuss the rule of divisibility by 2. To check whether a number is divisible by 2, just inspect the units digit of the number. If the units digit is an even number, that is 0 or a multiple of 2, such as 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. Consider a number as 2,06,546. Since the units digit of this number is 6, that is an even number, so the number is divisible by 2. Now consider another number as 2,06,547. Since the unit digit is 7, so it is not divisible by 2. To check for the divisibility of a number by 3, just add all the digits of the number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Let's better understand this with an example. Consider a number as 21,987. To check the divisibility of this number by 3, just add all the digits of this number, that is 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, which gives sum equal to 27. Since 27 is divisible by 3, therefore the number 21,987 is also divisible by 3. Now let's understand the divisibility test for number 4. To check this, just inspect the last two digits of a number. If these two digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. Let's see an example. Consider a number as 9,08,654. The last two digits of this number is 54. Since 54 is not divisible by 4, so the given number, that is 9,08,654, is also not divisible by 4. Now consider another number as 2,17,668. The last two digits of this number is 68, which is divisible by 4. So the given number 2,17,668 is also divisible by 4. Next is the divisibility test of number 5. To check whether a number is divisible by 5, just inspect the units digit. If the digit at the units place of a number has 0 or 5, only then it is divisible by 5. Consider a number as 2,06,705. Since the number has 5 in its units place, therefore it is divisible by 5. Now consider another number as 7,08,604. Since it has 4 in its units place, therefore it is not divisible by 5. Next we have divisibility test for 6. The test is that if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only the number is divisible by 6. For example, consider a number as 34,674. To check the divisibility test by 2, we just have to focus on the units place. The digit at the units place is 4, which is divisible by 2, therefore the number is divisible by 2. For divisibility by 3, just add all the digits 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4, which is equal to 24. As it is a multiple of 3, so the number is also divisible by 3. Therefore the number 34,674 is divisible by 6. Next is the divisibility test of number 7. To check whether a number is divisible by 7, double the units digit and subtract it from the remaining digits. If the difference obtained is divisible by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. The process of obtaining the difference is repeated till a comparable number is obtained. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Consider a number as 1029. The units digit 9 is doubled and subtracted from the remaining digits, that is 102. The difference obtained is 84. As the obtained number is still large, so repeat the subtraction by doubling the last digit, that is 4. The difference is obtained by subtracting the product so obtained from the remaining digit, that is 8 in the number. As the result is 0, which is divisible by 7, so the given number is also divisible by 7. Next, let's understand the divisibility test for number 8. To check this, just inspect the last 3 digits of the given number. If these 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number is also divisible by 8. Consider a number as 1,08,256. The last 3 digits of this number is 256. Since 256 is divisible by 8, so the given number 1,08,256 is also divisible by 8. Next is the divisibility test of number 9. To check for divisibility of a number by 9, just add all the digits of the number. If this sum is divisible by 9, then the given number is also divisible by 9. Now let's understand this with an example. Consider a number as 31,680. To check the divisibility of this number by 9, add all the digits of this number, that is 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0, which gives sum equal to 18. Since 18 is divisible by 9, therefore the given number 31,680 is also divisible by 9. Next is the divisibility test by number 10. For a number to be divisible by 10, the units digit of the number should end with 0. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.